This is the Syngonium, podophyllum Maria. This plant is patented and it is not available for propagation until February of 2026. But I can repot it. And here we have the whole plant growing out of this little plug that they started it in. And I feel like it's just not really going anywhere. It's got a couple new leaves coming in. But I just don't like the way it's potted. So I'm going to repot it and try to separate these bigger clumps out. See that plug? Yeah, not cool. So that's what I'm doing today. Okay, that was strange. Interesting. Okay, let's loosen up these. It's very wet, and I watered it, I don't know, a few days ago, but it's not really drying out. There's no real perlite or good drainage soil in this. It's just really compacted and dense. Syngoniums prefer like an airlaid soil. In my case, I'm using the cactus soil that I made, which isn't really cactus soil, it's more of an airlaid soil. And I've been potting up my Syngoniums into that soil, and they seem to like it quite well. So it has pretty good roots for being in that plug. I don't know how I'm gonna get it separated exactly, but I know it can be done. Kind of hard to break apart. There we go. So there's a lot of little plants in that one plug. Now, I'm not propagating. It's illegal for me to propagate, but I will be propagating after February 2026. So you can keep on the lookout for babies of this plant. It's really pretty. I love the kind of bronzy color it has. I don't know if the leaves get any bigger, if it has more room to grow. There, I did it. I'm going to give it a new pot. I don't really like these pots. They look like they have a little drainage tray, but they really don't. It's just made to look that way, and I don't know what the purpose of that is, but somebody had an idea. Yeah. So here's my mix. I'm running out, and I just ordered stuff to make a new batch. It has regular peat-based potting soil, perlite, and lava rocks. I'm just going to put these in here. There's quite a few plants in this. One more. I think it will be happier in this soil. Better drainage, more oxygen for the roots. Take off these little yellowing leaves. Just a couple damaged leaves. What do you think? Will it do better? I think so. Okay, now give it a good water. Fast draining. I like that. Excuse me. Now, this is water with just pond start in it, no fertilizer. So, there. It looks good. Let's see how it does. The water draining through. I think I'm going to let it sit there for a little while and soak up as much water as it wants. And that's the end of my video. Have a great day. Don't forget, like and subscribe.